Planet Earth. 30% land and a whopping 70% water. Man has always been fascinated by the oceans, full of adventure and explorations. But for a soldier, a sailor, oceans aren't just that. For him, it is a way of life, his identity, his existence away from his loved ones and in difficult conditions. Being in the sea for months at end, far away from land, is no easy task. The Indian coastline has a massive coverage of 7,000 kilometers. The Navy and the Coast Guard safeguards the nation's maritime borders, protects the nation against any threats.
Our agile and dedicated defense forces is on the forefront at the time of disaster relief and even combats piracy.
For the sailor, wholesome food and comfortable habitability is of prime importance. It keeps his morale high and his crucial work highly effective. We at Sushma Marine specialize in this area and take pride in serving the Indian Navy and Coast Guard. Our aim is to create home away from home for the men at sea. Sushma Marine had a humble beginning. Established in 1973 in Mumbai, we started with manufacturing heating elements for the consumer and industrial markets. We have been supplying to the biggest and the most reputed companies in India. After tremendous hard work and research to develop expertise in heating elements for the last 50 years, in 1980, we ventured into the Indian maritime industry. Sushma Marine is a truly unique company with young professionals at helm. We are a highly reliable, turnkey solution provider. We are one of the very few companies that has in-house design facility to manufacture metal furniture and galley equipments in our fully equipped facility, install and integrate everything on the ship, right from modular galleys along with modular accommodation package. We are proud contributors to the Make in India movement. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure is not only innovative but is indigenous and is therefore highly economical. Our research and development department is forever on the move for the latest invention and improvisation of our products. The product range consists of bunk beds, lockers and wardrobes, desk units, bookshelves, filing cabinets, racks and shelving, cooking ranges, deep fat fryers, deep freezers, plating counters and hot cupboards, chapati making machines, dosa making machines,
Combi streamers, fire class panels,
and a host of auxiliary galley equipments. Headquartered in Mahe, Mumbai, with a sizable 50,000 square feet manufacturing facility in Khopoli, we are one of the reputed manufacturers and turnkey system integrators in marine habitability systems. Our staff of over 200 are totally dedicated. Our technical team is fully trained and technically savvy, with an attitude to serve and give their best.
Sushma Marine believes in attitude is altitude.
Our entire product range meets Indian and international standards such as UL and SOLAS regulations. We are the first company to achieve ISO 9001-2000 certifications for heating elements and galley equipments. We adhere to IMO guidelines for guaranteed fire retardant and fire resistant materials. We are proud to state that we are one of the very few companies to be nominated by the Indian Navy. With a solid reach all over the country, we have site offices at 7 major ports and shipyards. Our every achievement is an additional feather in our cap. Some of our success stories include first modular galley concept for P-17 frigates built at Mazgaon docks,
indigenously designed
and manufactured and installed galley equipments and duct heating solutions for the first ever nuclear-powered submarine built in India, the INS Arihant. Successfully completed 20 numbers fast patrol vessels built at the Cochin shipyard. 2 numbers Sri Lankan offshore patrol vessels for the Sri Lankan Navy built at the Goa shipyard. Ongoing turnkey contract for modular galley and laundry package on the first ever aircraft carrier being built in India, the INS Vikrant II. Ongoing turnkey contract for a 42 compartments hospital on the first ever aircraft carrier being built in India, the INS Vikrant II. Recently signed MOU with DRDO for digitalized hot plates for increased life and better control of hot plates. Developed with DRDO, a fresh curd maker which will enable our Jawans to make curd at -20°C on the Siachen Glacier. We are pleased to state that our R&D has successfully developed and are introducing galley equipment with digitalized hot plates and galley equipment with induction hot plates, which is 40% cheaper to operate than normal resistive elements as well as gas. We can design a product which is developed indigenously under the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Make in India. Our motto is, why heat the chef when we can heat the food directly? We have tie-ups from the best international companies like BSD Firestop for multi-cable transit glands, Al Cobra GmbH for specialty metals, Bonov GmbH for galley systems, Bombus Askew for marine pumps, Eucaro for copper-nickel pipes and fittings, Cosinas for galley systems, Rational for combi streamers, Disparator for food waste disposal system, Animo for catering systems, Azov for cables, and Sprefix by Avicon is a unique adhesive spray on insulation for fire protection, sound reduction, condensation and thermal control. The Indian Navy and Coast Guard are aiming to have a 400-ship fleet by 2025 as per a Maritime Capability Perspective Plan. This will help in guarding interests and assets of the nation in waters around them. Sushma Marine takes immense pride in assisting the Indian Navy and Coast Guard to achieve this milestone. Sushma Marine, proud to serve India, proud to be Indian. Jai Hind.